Hi friends, this is Subrat here, and this is the 24th video on my Python series, and in this video I'm going to cover about Python sorted function. So let's start. So let us understand what is the use of sorted function. So sorted method is used to sort some particular iterable. Here iterable in the sense what is the element or whatever the element which can be iterated. That means I can iterate over a string, I can iterate over a list, I can iterate over a tuple, set or dictionary. That means whenever you are getting some index value, there you can able to iterate by using the index position. So this is what it's saying. You can whenever you are iterating over a variable, then you can sort that variable. The sorted method returns a sorted list from a given iterable. So the return type of my sorted method is it will return a sorted list. So let us see what is the full signature of my sorted method. So I can use the sorted as my standalone method. I don't have to use any dot operator or any class to access it. So it is taking iterable as an argument, key and reverse as an argument. So let us understand all these three arguments with some examples. So at first I'll use only iterable to demonstrate what is the use of it. Suppose I have strg variable and inside that I'm storing python. So let's sort this in ascending order. So one thing you need to keep in mind, by default the sorting order is ascending order, and we can also change that. So I can do like this as sorted string. Suppose this is my output string. I want to store my sorted value. So I can use the sorted function like this, sorted sorted. Directly I can use my sorted function. So I don't have to use any other class to access it. So I can pass my variable as an argument. So let us print what is the value inside it. As we have discussed, the sorted method returns a sorted list. Let's see whether it's returning or not. So here you can see it has sorted my string and it is returning me a list containing the sorted values. By default it is in ascending order. So here you can see the values are sorted as per the ASCII code of individual characters. Here you can see the ASCII code is ascending order in the sense it is increasing from lower to higher direction. So HNOPTY has came in my sorted list. So let us do some other example. Suppose I have a list, I have some random characters inside it, A, E, I, O and last U. So I have suppose collection of vowels inside my list. So let's see what is whether it's sorting or not. So to store the sorted list I have to use it create a new variable. Sorted list I can use, and I can use my sorted method so sorted, and I can pass my list as an argument. So let's print what is the sorted list inside my new variable. So here you can see there is no change because I have already given in sorted order. So it's AEIOU only. So I think it's clear enough how to use the sorted method. So here we have only used iterable as an argument. Let's see reverse as an argument. If you want to sort it in reverse direction, then you can pass reverse as an parameter. Reverse equal to true. Let's see. So if you are putting reverse equal to true, it will be sorted in reverse direction. That means in descending direction from higher to lower order. So one of the important parameter is key parameter. Whenever you want to implement your own sorting mechanism, then you can use the key parameter. So here you are doing the default sorting mechanism. That means whether you want to use ascending or descending order, and whenever you want to implement your own sorting mechanism, then you can use the key as an parameter. So let's see some example of it. I'll explain this example which I have written. Suppose I have a variable random, and inside it I have some tuple 2 2 3 4 2 2 3 4 4 1 1 3. Suppose this is my original variable and I want to sort this random. Let's do by using the sorted method at first. What the output we are getting, sorted equal to random. So here you can see the output. So it has taken the first value to sort the list. So here you can see each individual tuples first value only it's taking. At first it's taking the first value of the last tuple here 1, so that's why it is coming as 1 3. Then it is checking first value of the second this tuple, then 2 2, then it's only checking first value of this tuple 3 4 and 4 1. So by default it is taking initial or first value of individual tuples, and it is using the sorting mechanism. So it is sorting in ascending order. So suppose in my case I want to take second value as an argument for sorting. So for doing that I can use my key as an argument. So key will take a name of the function. So to define your own sorting mechanism, you have to define your user defined function, or you have to create your sorting function by yourself. Suppose my sorting function name is take second. So here you have to create your own sorting function to specify in which sorting mechanism you want to use. Suppose I am using element as my parameter, and I am returning elements 1th index. Here what I am returning, element 1th index. So element in the sense, whenever you are using a key as an argument, element it will be individual uh, elements inside your list. Here individual elements are individual tuples here. So the first element, this is your second element, this is your third element, this is your fourth element. Here these are the elements, and it's coming and storing inside my element variable, and I'm using the indexing to access the second element. I'm passing only the second element of the tuple to sort. So let's use this uh, user defined sorting function to sort my random variable. So I can do like this: sorted. I can pass my random as a variable name or an iterable, and I can use the key as an argument, and the value of the key will be the function name. Here you have to pass the function name. So let's see what's the output. Here you can see it has taken the second parameter as an argument to sort the values. Here you are seeing the first parameter of every tuple it is taking to sort the value, but in the case of this you can see the second parameter to sort the value. So when it is taking the second parameter to sort the value, at first the minimum value should come, the 1 4 should come, then 2 2 should come, then 3 1 should come, then 4 3 should come. So here you can see the same we are getting as an output. So I'll explain more about this sorted method in my future tutorials with some different examples and use cases. So friend, in this video this is all about sorted method, and in future video I am going to talk about more in-depth concept of Python. So till then, thank you.